Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn as to how to combine data from different sheets to make a one master data set. And surprisingly, in Excel we have a new function called VSTACK that makes this consolidation really very easy. So here I have a store level data set for every region. So the region A sheet has region A store level data. Similarly for region B I have, and then I have region C. Now I want to combine all these data sets and make a new data set which will be the master data set in master data sheet. So for doing that, I will type in the VSTACK function. Now the arguments for this function are very easy. It only needs the array of that data set. So I'm going to go to region A sheet and I'm going to select the entire data range. Then I'm going to go to region B and I'm going to select the data range. Now here I'm going to exclude the headers because I have already selected the headers from region A sheet, and because both of them are the same, I don't want duplicacy of the headers. I'm going to press comma and then I'm going to go to region C and I'm going to select the data. Once done, I'm going to press enter and I can see that now I have a consolidated data set. Now one thing to remember is whenever you are selecting the data range, do not select the cells which does not have values because that will return 0. In case your data for every sheet gets refreshed on regular basis, it's better to convert it into a table. So for example, my data in every sheet gets refreshed. So what I will be doing is I will be converting them into a table by pressing Ctrl T. I'll be doing the same thing for region B, and then for region C. Now supposedly for region A I have a new data, so when the new data arrives and when it gets appended to my region A sheet, my master data will automatically get updated. So here I have the new data for region A. So that was all for today's video. I really hope that you learned something new today. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and until next time, happy learning.